Hi, welcome back to Learning with Lori. I'm Lori Luna, owner and founder of Fun Gauging Learning. Today, we're talking technology, specifically how to automatically fill in information on a Google Sheet or a Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet. As you see, my Google Sheet is what I'm using. I have some titles filled in, and it's like, do I have to fill in the 8, 9, 10, and then the rest? Yes, but there's an easy way of doing that. Notice how I stopped here and then I put 5, 6, 7. If I highlight that and then go to this little square in the lower right hand corner, put my cursor on it until I get the cross or the plus sign, and I can just drag that down to where I want it. And I'm going to take it all the way down as far as it can go, and then it's not quite as far as I want, so I'm going to do it again. And you notice that I have all those numbers filled in, and I don't have to worry about skipping one. Now, if I just want to fill in the same information, I can just highlight that one cell, pull it down, and bam. Again, you're just highlighting enough to tell the system what it is that you want copied or filled in. And I have saved myself a lot of work. The one thing that you do want to make sure that you do when you come back to finish putting in the titles is you want to double click in the cell, because otherwise if you don't and you just start typing, you're going to erase it. If that happens, hit Control Z or Escape and it will fill it back in. Until the next time, thank you for learning with Lori. And please check out my website, www.fungauginglearning.fun, for some additional little tips. But until the next time, take care.